What's up, guys? We got another video today. I'm gonna try to be posting one every day of April. I'm gonna try and hold myself accountable to that. We got a little market review, and then we're gonna do a quick little back testing session after. Maybe you guys can get some knowledge on type of trades I like and whatnot. So coming into the day, I did not like anything, to be honest. We were sitting in between this gap, daily gap, by the way, and this daily bullish gap, and I didn't predict which way price wanted to go. I had no idea which way it wanted to go. It's kind of just reacting, waiting for it to do something. I said in my Discord, free Discord, go check it out in my bio. But I said in my Discord, I probably will not take anything unless price displaces very strongly through one of these gaps, which it did not, and it kind of just chopped around. But withdrawals of the day, nothing crazy, to be honest. We had these 1 hour highs up here, maybe you wanted to target, but like we're getting stopped by this giant 1 hour. We've got a giant 4 hour. Just didn't really make sense for me to take a trade unless you took something to the 4 hour, maybe. I haven't even checked if there was an entry. Let's do that right now. So actually, maybe down here would have been a decent trade to the 4 hour. But like I said, I just don't like how we're sitting in both of these gaps. I have no idea where price wanted to go. I would have just been predicting, and I don't predict. I try to react to the markets. But this is pretty much what you would have wanted to see. 15-minute retracing down. I had no conviction of where price was going to reverse going down here as well. So unless you're playing it off of the volume, I wouldn't really say it's a crazy good trade. 1 minute. I mean, this was a decent entry down here, but like, this is a crazy RR trade. Not too shabby, to be honest. Ended up playing out. Break even at the internal. Would have played out, but just my conditions. I've gotten screwed over too many times trying to trade in between gaps, just trying to predict the market. So if we want to close and inverse this daily gap today, I'd love some longs to these highs right here. We have some great LRL. We'll see if we get that though. But these highs are looking awesome right here. Once we can inverse this daily and actually flip bullish, these will be looking great. But yeah, nothing for me today. If you did trade, let me know. I'll take a peek at it. Be sure to check out that Discord if you want some knowledge too. We're all helping out. But yeah, nothing really for me. You can see the balance still 2,000. No trades from me since I got the account. We're just waiting. I'm liking April though. Finally broke out of the range on the daily to go bullish. This might be the flip back or bearish. This might be a flip back to a bullish market. We'll see. It'll be pretty nice. Let's do a little back testing though. Start it from June 2023 to we'll do like July of 2025. June, yeah. All right. Get dates. July 6, 2023. Evan, back testing, NQ. July 6th at 9:30. And we'll do like, might get 2 weeks going, we'll see. But we'll see how long we takes. July, Friday at 12:30. All right. See how we do. See what's going on. A little something. I'll give my thoughts behind every trade, everything I take. All right. Definitely a bullish market here. Looks like we're retracing. I want to see if we inverse this gap when we get the 4 hour close. But right now, if we can react out of it, I think these highs could be a good target. Maybe not this one unless it's a Newswick 10. All right, let's just see if we get a reaction out of this 4 hour if we want to close bearish. Looks like We're going lower. This is the chop you definitely want to stay away from. See, we're not moving. There's a nice bearish candle there. All right, that's the 4-hour close. Inversed it. 1 hour, definitely looking a little bearish. My next target would be like these lows, pretty far away from them. So maybe we take out like these lows or these lows. We'll see if we get an entry there though. Kind of retracing right now. Just very slow right now. Nothing for me. Yeah, 10:45. I'm probably off by now. No trade. Let's go to the next day. Wait, can I just? Hmm. Looks like we had some news maybe come out at 8:30. Is the news? Nope. I don't know how to use this shit. Still looking bullish, obviously. That's got to be a news wick. If we want to be bullish, we're going to come and take these highs. I don't want to target the full high. If we're going to be bearish, we got some decent stacked lows, actually, and we did just inverse this gap. See if we want to flip bearish. These are pretty decent down here. Right now, we're kind of just in this little range since overnight. So what I really want to see is a break below these lows before I end up taking a trade. We'll see if we get one. Usually for my breaks too, I look for the 5 minute. Um, that's just been the most probable for me. Price is not. Oh, here we go. That no, it wasn't even 10 a.m. Damn, this is terrible. Look at this range we're just sitting in. Awful, awful, awful. Let's go to the next day. Monday. Now we've had a chance to maybe do something. No. Still got these lows down here. I think would be a decent target. Put in this high, which I actually like. Right now we're literally just in this range, so kind of just see push or price displays pretty good. So one of these directions. We're blocked by this shine hourly. If this hourly could push us lower, I think that'd be pretty nice. Let's see where this 15-minute closes. It's pretty mid. Might have SMT'd this low with ES. Maybe I don't have it up. Now we flip back bullish after edging the low. Draw above is pretty high. Stuck ranging again, man. It's not good. Get a good day, please. Still in the range. Did end up taking out that low yesterday. Not these lows, though. One minute's pretty choppy. 15-minute entry wasn't terrible, though. This This is where we might get an entry if we get some displacement here. Dude, like edge lows flip. This is awful, man. Genuinely cannot catch anything. Alright, holy push. Finally took out those back at all-time highs. This is a very strong draw on liquidity. If we don't catch a trade of these today, I'm going to be pretty pissed. These should be free. We had news. Yeah, news candles. We might want to go take out those lows first. Look at how choppy we are. Just gonna run and take them, isn't it? Like, dude, the only entry would have been here. That was pretty mid. Look at how choppy we were before. Alright, we'll do this last 2 days, but this is genuinely ass. See if we can maybe catch something then. Back at all-time highs. Nothing lower to target. Kind of just went along pretty much. 830 wick already got taken. Bull run. I need this shit right now. Okay. Okay. Like I want one more. I don't like this. Break even there. We could even go break even there. All right, we'll try this out just because. I mean, I'm trying to take something, man. All right, here we go. Break even at this high. Break even. Oof. Oof. Break even. Boring. Only one trade. All right, last trade of the video. I'm gonna do a better one eventually. Daily gap down here with no wick. This could be a draw potentially. It's not even there on my screen. Nice, but probably another no trade day. Yeah, we're literally just gonna fucking take off. Now we're chopping. Dude, like, alright, I'm off by now. Well, sorry, backtesting was pretty terrible, fellas. Maybe we get a trade tomorrow. Actually, I don't even know if the markets are open, but not much going on today in the market for me at least. If you guys caught something, fire for you. If not, always another day. Free Discord in the bio if you guys want to join. Got some education going on in there. I'll catch y'all next video. Peace.